Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Trax LT. This vehicle only has 2,088 miles on it and is being sold as new with warranty to all Apple Chevrolet customers. This front wheel drive vehicle comes with a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, your back tinted windows, and 16-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio system throughout the entire vehicle. We have our half cloth, half leather with a tan lining seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, our push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.